Hello beautiful people, today I'm going to be showing you my good soap haul from Whole Foods Market, exclusively at Whole Foods. The proceeds from this soap goes to benefit communities around the world. In West Africa, it helps in benefiting education for the communities, maternal care, and reforestation. That's a major plus right there. Let's check out what I got. They just had like a special recently, 10 for 10. I know, right? 10 for 10. It was a Prime member special, so I went ahead and took advantage, and I got 10 bars. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Let's go. Let's check these out. They're triple milled and long lasting. Cucumber. Smells so good. Here's another cucumber. I had to get doubles of some. Coconut. Smells yummy. Another coconut. I love coconut. This one is called Black. This one is also coconut. Let's compare them. This one does smell a little stronger in coconut scent. I think this one's peppermint. Yup, peppermint. It's lightly printed on each bar. Ooh. Does smell minty. Almond milk. Yummy. Don't eat it. Lavender. This one's a little strong in scent. And wild strawberry. Right on. That one. This one has to be one of my favorites, but honestly, I really like the almond milk too. It's just lightly scented. This one smells good though. And there you have it, my good soap haul, 10 for 10 at Whole Foods Market. You already know, people. Thank you for watching, and until next time, peace.